Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And Holi is coming, so I'll be doing a makeup look for the same. And let's go and start the video. So the first thing I'll do is I'll do my base. If you want to check out that how I do my base, you can visit my previous videos. So I'm done with my base and let me tie my hair. So first I'll apply some yellow. Where should I apply? I'm just randomly putting it anywhere. Now I'm gonna go in with some orange and I'll apply it just next to yellow. Again, I'm putting it in really abstract manner, so I'll just go ahead and merge it with my yellow. Now I'm going to take some dark peachish orangish color, like a little darker than this orange. Now I'm going to fill my inner corner. It's more like reddish orange. Now I'm going to mix it with my orange. Now I'm adding some green to it. Now I'm going to put some violet shade in between. By the way, Holi is my favorite festival. I love Holi. Maybe because I love art. I like colors basically. Now we do that here. Now I'm gonna do something fun. I'm going to put some of all these colors on my cheeks as well. So let's go. Then I'll add orange to it. Then I'll add yellow. I like it. I love colors. Everyone asks me that what is your favorite color. I'm not sure what is my favorite color cause every day I have a new favorite color. I hope you got it. I like it. Should I do it on the other side as well? But I like it only on one side. I think I'm going to do it on only one side. I don't know, I just feel like doing so. I'll not put eyeliner on this. I'll just go in with mascara. I want it, I got it. I want it, I got it. And I'll not apply here, obviously. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply some highlighter. Wow. Some of it on my... Oh, I look so colorful and I love it. I'm gonna do one thing with my eyeliner, my lower lash, here as well, and I'm gonna just smudge it using my little finger. That's fine. There we go. I like how my makeup looks. So what next? Okay, so I'm going to try apply some glitter over my lips. Okay, so this is the first time I'm applying glitter over my lips. I don't know how it will go, and if it doesn't work out, I'm going to remove my lipstick. That's it. Like how bad it can go. Bro, I don't know if you like it or not, but I love it. Okay, so I'll just quickly go and change my outfit and my hair. Wait for me. I'm done with my look, and if you liked my video, make sure to like, subscribe and share, and make sure to comment your views on my video as well. You can comment what look would you like to see next. Hit the bell icon if you want to get notification every time I post a new video. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.